चलो let's check for this. Double click, copy. First is X level, then second will be. Are you able to see Excel sheet? It's changing the value. B point and last is C point. So current market price, let's consider it's around 2125. Okay. $2125. Right? So this is current X, A, B, C, D. Right? X, A, B, C. We want to find D point. Right? Current market price we have input. So now it's showing me B FIBO is near 0.61. Is it near? Let's go and check in the chart. What's the B point? .622, right? So it's within the range of 0.04 plus minus of 0.61, right? It's within that range. So the sheet has given me 0.6. What it is telling, which pattern is there? It's a bullish pattern. We are getting M. So it's a bullish pattern. It's telling me that you are looking at a bullish pattern, right? Can you make out? It's a bullish pattern. Then it's telling me how much is the exact SP. It's 0.622. That's why it took as 0.618. AC it's giving me and it's telling me you have to check group 1 stock. Group 1. Right? Are you able to see group 1? It's telling me check group 1.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Right? So group 1. Right? So when we see on this side, on the right side, this is left side of the sheet, this is right side of the sheet. So are you able to see group 1 pattern? It's written here. Group 1 pattern. Can you make out? Right? Group 1 patterns. Yes. So group 1 may, it's telling me bullish pattern and 0.618 FIBO. So what is written here? These are the pattern names. Which are the group 1 pattern? Alternate back, crab, gartley, butterfly and deep crab. These are the other advanced patterns, but I also personally don't use them. Right? So I use only these 6 patterns mostly. And these are the group 2 patterns. Cyber, shark, alternate strike. These are the other patterns available, but I use only these 6 patterns mostly, most of the time. So pattern we have got, column of pattern. Then second column is of, it's of which value? Second column, Q column. B FIBO, right? B value. So ये शीट के लेफ्ट साइड ने मुझे क्या बोला है? B कितना है? What's the B point? 0.618. So which are the patterns where B is 0.618? One is I have got this crab, right? 0.38 to 0.618. Or second is I have got gartley. So it can be either crab or gartley, right? It can be either crab or gartley. So what's next step? I have shorted down it to crab and gartley. Next is 1.618 and 0.786, right? D point, XD. D point कहाँ पे होगा? अगर crab है तो 1.618. So here in fifth row, can you make out what I have written here? B column, fifth row. this one. It's written as B column, this B column and fifth row on left side. XD, right? So, ये जो XD level है, we have to check at these particular levels. Suppose this is crab, this is 1.618. So XD में 0.618, 0.786 ऐसा up to 1.6. So 1843 is my one PRZ. 1843 is my one PRZ as per XD. Then, which is this S column? BC projection, right? It's BC projection. So अगर ये 1.618 है, BC I have to check from 2.618 to 3.61. So where is BC? BC is at B column, row 13. Can you make out? I have written BC. B column, row 13. So these are the BC projection: 1.13, 1.27, 1.41, 618, 0.618, 3.61. So for crab, which I need 2.618 to 3.68. So what I will do? I will highlight this 2.618 and 3.14 and 3.618. So is any of these three levels matching with this 1842? 1843? It is 3.14 level, right? 1864. It's nearby that, around 21 points, right? So we have got second PRZ. AB equal to CD is not matching in this case. Got it? We will take one more example.